2 more packages have arrived. This one is from eBay. This seller had a lot of really good deals. I'm actually, oh my gosh, I'm really surprised. The listing said £1. And I actually sent them a message before I bought this saying, is this really, am I really getting the whole bag? This is definitely more than £1, you guys. This is gonna take a while to go through. There's so much stuff here. So much stuff. I'm gonna zoom in so we can kind of get a look at it. So much stuff here, y'all. This is gonna take a hot minute. Let's go through it in groups. Oh my God, you get so much stuff. This is such a good deal, y'all. Oh my gosh. I think this person is destashing because when I asked them if they're gonna get more, they said probably not. Of the other ones, the other bundles I wanted to get. So, oh my God, that's cute. A little Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be this might be a video on itself, y'all. I got an orange Hello Kitty. That's really cute. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should zoom out. I'm gonna zoom back out because it might be a little easier. These ball ones are running away. I'm gonna get a bowl. My bracelet bowl. I'm gonna use this to fold them in. A little orange, that's cute. Got a pink one. We have a hair. These 2 little round balls that are trying to get away. This is so awesome. I did not expect to get this much from them. Another hair. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that a string? Oh dear. All right. Good thing I'm not a germaphobe. Have a silicone Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness, a block. And a lot of these, and most of these are for beadable pins, y'all. These are kind of the beads I've been buying lately, is these, you know, focal beads. Oh my God, a mermaid. This is oh my God, I can't believe it's such a great deal, y'all. I think I paid, what was it, $16 for this plus shipping? I think, yeah, it was $22 and you get all these. Like, buying all these anywhere else would have been costed so much. Such a good deal. It says smile. That's a very deformed Hello Kitty. That's hilarious. Have a flat back. Oh my God, I can make so much stuff with this, y'all. Got a little black Hello Kitty. I'm probably gonna organize these into like categories. A little focal. More little hearts. These are so cute. These will be great for other Hello Kitty beads I'm getting in. Some purple ones. I'm definitely gonna organize these. That might be a whole video, y'all, just organizing all of these. So all these purple ones can go together in a bag. Looks like there's several more. Put those in the bag. Such a good deal. Oh my gosh. So much stuff. So much stuff. This is so exciting. Because I honestly did not believe them. When they said, yes, you get the whole bag, I'm like, that's definitely not a whole pound. There's no way I'm going to get this whole bag. Y'all, they sent the whole bag. They sent the whole bag. It's that little soda. Cute. Focal. More orange ones. Got an orange one. Pink one. Purple one. Oh my God, it's like a little leather tag. That's cool. Oh my God, this is so awesome. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little clear flat back. I could probably turn that into a magnet, or like I mentioned in another video, you guys, I do have my bead drill. That's gonna be a separate video. I have a bead drill. This came in the other day so that I can make anything into a bead. So I'm gonna go over that in a different video. These little, are these beads? I don't think they are. They're just little things. There's not even a hole in these. Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. I didn't see it. There's a hole. Interesting. Got a little, I think her name is Melody. Very cute. That's a tag. All right, let's go with a little apple. 2 more tags. Little Hello Kitty tags, leopard tags. Lucky, another one of those. Some of these I don't really care for. I definitely will sell some of these, y'all, but some of them I don't really like that much. 2 little strawberries. So I will look out for that. I might do a video where I just sell some stuff I don't want, because I am getting a lot of things I'm not going to use in these bead hauls. I know all my bead hauls so far have been from Whatnot, but this one is actually from eBay. This one is from eBay. That is really cute. I really like that one. Another little wheel. Whoops! The little rainbow wheel. How's that little Hello Kitty locket? Little lock. A star. A cube. This is so fun, y'all. This is so satisfying. We still have so much more to go. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, it's so much. So much. Oh my goodness. Another little lock. Is that one of those little Tamagotchi ones? A little radio thing. Little radio thing. Actually, I might do a giveaway. I'm either gonna sell some of these ones I don't want or do a giveaway. Like I know I don't want this one. There's a couple other ones I know I'm not gonna use. Like I can give away some of these tags. I'm probably not gonna use these. I don't really use tags. Here's 2 more. I'll think of something. Just keep a lookout, you guys. I'll either do a giveaway or a little sale where I just give away, you know, sell the ones I'm not gonna use for very, very cheap just to, you know, let them not go to waste. I know somebody else will want to use them. Because I don't really care for hanging on for stuff I'm not going to use, you know. If I'm not going to use it and I don't like it, I don't want to hold on to it. Little ball, little star that says happy, little house, that's cute. Silicone, little silicone Hello Kitty. Oh, some of those little ball beads. That's cool. It's a circle bead. Pretty neat. Another cube. Another. Gotten several of these now. Little bow one. Another little square. We've seen that. We've seen that. Another candy. 2 more mermaids. We've seen those. 2 silicones. That's cool. So excited to get all these, y'all. Oh my God. Let's see. We got a couple flat backs. That's cool. It's the right side of this one. There we go. Some flat backs. Another one of those acrylic. One of those acrylics. Got that. Oh, it's a little skateboard. Oh my God, that's really cute. Oh my God, it's a little skateboard with milk on it. Oh, that's cute. Some Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, it's a little Hello Kitty drink. It's a silicone bead. Another focal. Another green heart. And then, is that a television antenna, a purse? I'm not really sure what that shape is supposed to be. I think it's like a TV with bunny ears. I'm not really sure. Not really sure. So much. Let me get these circle ones out of here because they just want to roll away. Some more circles. Two more circles. A little mushroom house or something. A little circle. Cute. This one was cool. I saw this in the thumbnail and I was hoping I would get this. I couldn't tell what it was because in the photo it just looked like this in the listing. But I knew it was something fun because I saw this hinge on it. So that's really cute, y'all. It's a little notebook. How cute is that? Oh my God, it opens. Now that is cute. That is so cute. More rainbows, another lock. Got a couple more focals. We have some duplicates in here, which is totally fine. 3 more focals. We have a silicone cherry, very cute. Got some stars. That one says happy. Another silicone focal. Got some cubes, some rainbow themed cubes that say happy or lucky. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's cute. Another lucky. So this goes with this. We're getting a lot of these ones. So this kind of goes together like a little rainbow set. 2 more locks. Hey, oh my God, is that a mushroom? Oh my God, that's hilarious. Little Hello Kitty mushroom. That's cute. A cloud. It's a paddle. Another rainbow wheel. Like some kind of paddle. Like a tennis racket or something. Or a fan or something. Another lock and another cube. So satisfying, y'all. So much. This is awesome. Now that I know, like I said, you guys, I did not trust them or she or her, whatever. When I sent them a message saying, am I gonna get the whole bag? They said yes. I'm like, that is so not a pound. That is so not a pound. I just lost a circle. I'll get it later. We've seen those. Circle and a cube. I did not believe them, but look at all I got. Wow. They were telling the truth. Oh my God, is that a Pikachu? Oh my God, that is so adorable. It's Hello Kitty and a little Pikachu on it. Oh my God, that is adorable. How stinking cute is that? Love it. Ooh, this one's all blinged out. What is this? Like glued together or something? Oh, it's a bead. That is a bead. Wow. Now that is a focal bead. That is a focal bead. That is a bead. Wow. That is cool. Wow. And a hole in the middle. Wow. Hello Kitty head. While I'm showing you guys these, I can tell you the tragedy that happened today. I was buying some hardware to make earrings out of all this jewelry that I'm getting, and I bought these at first, but these actually aren't going to work. These little mini screws, and these actually aren't going to work. So I ordered something else, but they unfortunately got lost. It says delivered today. They said that they gave it to somebody in the office, and the office says they don't have it, and it's not in the mail room. So I don't know where my package went, and I'm really disappointed. I thought I was going to get to make some earrings this weekend. I was excited to film that. Me showing you how I'm going to turn, all these beads I'm getting into bracelets and earrings. So unfortunately I waited like, a couple days for that hardware to get here just for it to not show up or get lost in the sauce. So that was very disappointing, but I'll just have to wait. Another circle bead. These are little popsicles. Oh my God, that's adorable. That is cute. The little tiny Hello Kitty popsicles. That's cute. But another one. That's cool. But yeah, that's what happened. But it's okay because I got this package. I got a happy package. This is awesome. It is okay. This made it all better. Got two glitter back focals. Very cute. Very, very cute. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go through these and pick out ones I know I'm not gonna use. And this one get dented or something. It has like 2 dents in the center. See that? Not supposed to be on there. The other ones don't have that, but it got some kind of dent in it. I guess it just got underneath something that dented it. Maybe somebody was trying to make it look like a button and they couldn't get it to puncture through. Where's another one? Yeah, it's not supposed to have that. These don't have that on there. It's like someone was trying to make it look like a button or something, but it didn't work. That did not work. That one says happy. Random Christmas one in here randomly. A little house, a silicone, another silicone cherry. These could be earrings too. And then these are the last 2, y'all. That is everything that came in that bag, y'all. Not bad. That 1 pound bag. It was definitely not 1 pound. It was, I don't know. I was about to say that's like, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. I feel like that's not a pound, but what do I know? Definitely more than a pound, maybe 1.5 or this is like 2 pounds, y'all. It's about 2 pounds, I would say, or even 3. I don't know. I don't know much about pounds. I'm not a good purveyor of pounds, but oh, it's another one I just lost. Ah! So much bounty. What a happy package. I'm gonna go through these and find the ones I don't like, and that's what I'll do. In a future video, I'm just gonna go through the ones, find the ones I don't like. I'll save a couple for a future giveaway, but I'll have a larger bag for somebody who wants to buy it. So keep a lookout for that. I'll just show it in one of my future videos and then offer it to you guys. So whoever wants to buy it, I'll name a price and then you just email me. Whoever emails me first, we will get it, and we'll set up some shipping for you or whatever, and I will send it to you. Okay, that's how we'll do that. I wonder if I should just do a whole bag of everything I don't think I'm gonna use. And that way somebody can just get all of it. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments what you prefer. You want me to just do just a Hello Kitty one, or one with everything that I don't think I'm gonna use, because I have gotten a lot of stuff in my packages I know I'm not gonna use, and different mixes. I gotta go find another circle. Anyway, that's it for this one. I thought this one could be a haul in itself, couldn't it? This is 14 minutes long. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the separate package in a separate video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon, all right? Bye.